Here's a video on installing the body inserts for the body screws on your 3A3D kit. The inserts right here will come with your kit in the hardware kit itself. The little package will have all the hardware, and what you're going to need for extra tools is a set of pin vise, a 7/6 drill bit, and a pair of pliers like that. That's all you need. All we're going to do is get your drill bit and you're going to start drilling. You have to do it very lightly. This is resin, it will go through. You don't have to twist it, move it, anything like that. It's fairly easy. You don't have to put a lot of pressure. Take your time doing this. It will go through easily and bite through the resin until you go through the hole complete like this. There you go. So now that you have your hole, you're going to install the insert. You're going to have the round barrel part that doesn't have any serrated teeth on it downward into the hole, just like that. And you grab your pair of pliers from this angle. You're just going to press in lightly. Give it a little press and make sure it's lined up and it's not crooked or cockeyed. And you just push in all the way like that, and there you go. That's how it's installed. Not very hard at all. And you're going to repeat the other ones and do the same thing. I'll do another one. And we're going to put it the same way that I talked about. You can see the way I have it like that. Kind of again at this angle right here. You're going to see how I squeeze it in. I'm going to give it a little squeeze first to make sure it's not cockeyed. It looks flush or straight. Then you can go ahead squeeze it in all the way. There you go. There's your insert. In all the way. You can put a small light bit of glue in here if you want to super glue. If you want to secure it more, it's not necessary. Use a toothpick. Make sure you get it in the hole only. Don't slap it all over the top here because you could get it into the insert and then get super glue in there, and therefore you'll have to tap it out because the screw will not go in because the super glue is all over the threads. That's how you install your inserts. Very easy to do. Very simple. And I hope that clarifies everything on doing that.